Miami Jet is thrilled to introduce this exceptional 2006 Piaggio Avanti II to market. This magnificent aircraft boasts over 2,000 hours remaining on each engine before overhauls, ensuring tons of hassle-free flying. Plus, the landing gear was recently overhauled in 2023, adding to its impeccable maintenance history. In 2024, this Avanti II was transformed with a stunning paint job by Xcelleration Aviation, featuring a vibrant red, white, and blue scheme that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Step inside to experience the upgraded interior, also completed in 2024 by Xcelleration Aviation. With Bentley-designed two-toned diamond hand-stitched leather, every detail has been crafted to perfection, providing unparalleled comfort for you and your guests. This aircraft has always been hangared and comes with meticulous maintenance records. With no known damage history and actively flying, this aircraft is ready for your next mission. Known as the Ferrari of the skies, the Avanti II combines amazing comfort, technology, and impressive performance, setting it miles apart from the competition. Make a statement and an entrance in style with the Piaggio Avanti II. Don't miss this opportunity to own an extraordinary aircraft that is competitively priced. Contact Chris Hassetel at Miami Jet today for more information.